This is the evening routine of when we arrive at the static caravan we own. So I thought I'd take you through what we do. Firstly, we unload everything and unpack. This time we've brought food with us, but sometimes we get a food shop delivered, which is so helpful, and that all gets put away. This is a tour of our little caravan as we're getting settled in. Then generally we get everything put away, from the toiletries to the clothes to the bits the kids have brought with them. And then we make up our beds, because that is important. Something that makes the kids feel really, really comfortable here is having their own bedding, and their clothes, where it all just feels so familiar. So we get all that done. We always bring mattress protectors and pillow protectors just to make it easier for us. So you can see little Maggie. We've got bits all over the place, but this is what we do. And then after that, we make tea and have tea. And then if anyone's wanting to go to the evening entertainment, they get changed, get ready, and go there. Generally, I stay back and Gav goes with some of the kids, depending on how we're feeling, how tired we are from the week. Tonight we spotted a little rabbit outside, which was really, really cute. I think it's a wild one, just that was playing outside and eating grass, which was a bit of unusual entertainment for us. But yeah, that was interesting to see. So, yep, and then we get cleaned up from tea and everything. So the things I would say is, when you come to your own caravan, if you rent it out like us, we don't keep everything here. We do have a storage box outside where we keep outside stuff like beach toys, and we have a little trolley to take stuff down to the beach and bits and pieces like that. So remembering bits that you haven't got here, like tea towels, bedding, towels, all the rest of it, your passes if you need them, keys, that sort of thing. We always have to make sure we've got all that bits and pieces. So if you got any questions and how about the evening routine or what we do in the caravan, that just helps us to get settled, feel comfortable, and ready for the weekend ahead. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have about not home ownership, static caravan ownership. Bye.